Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we are going to be taking a look at our 2023 22-foot Boston Whaler Dauntless. We ordered this boat with the light blue hull sides, the white bottom, and the blue to match under the hardtop. We'll take a walk around the boat. I'll point out some options. Then we'll jump up inside the boat and go through the interior. From the outside, this boat does have the trim tab options. We put a white 250 V8 Mercury on it. It does have the transducer, your boarding ladder. Has the white rub rail with a chrome insert. Very pretty boat, very popular color. We'll get inside. As we get into 22, you can see it has the aft seats, which do fold down. There's freshwater wash down. This boat does have a ski pole, some rod holders. Take a look at the helm. We brought this boat in with a 12-inch Simrad. It does have JL audio, Simrad VHF. Boat does have a tilt helm, trim tabs. This boat also has the phone charger forward, your compass. Take a look forward, you can see the seating. It's a sun pad in front, sun pad forward, the low profile handrails, some rod holders, some cup holders. Storage underneath here. Plenty of storage. Your windshield. This does have the flip helm seat. With the livewell under it. Some rod holders. Very pretty boat, very popular boat. This boat is here in our showroom and is available. Please call us or come in and see us. Thank you.